Hey guys, how you doing? James here talking about robo vacuums, and this next couple of minutes is going to be just really quickly, out of these three different models, which one is my personal favorite? It's hard for me to make a decision on that because we are talking about a base model, a very high-end model, and a mid-range model. So if I was to say, oh, well, my most favorite one is, obviously I want the best one possible, but you have to factor in price point as well. Okay, so it's going to be a little more expensive than the base model, but it has features that the other one doesn't. So I'll get to my favorite in a second, but we'll talk about it real quick. They all have LiDAR technology, so they read the room. They all do mopping. This one has spinning brushes, talking about the Dream high-end one. This one has spinning brushes that cycle through clean water, filling it up. It goes out, cleans the room, vacuums, and mops. Okay? Then it parks itself, and all the dirty water is then collected in here. Right? So it's not pushing dirty water around every time it goes out. You can manually change the filters anytime you want to. The filters are on top, right? So, of course I can do that. Of course I can, yeah, there it is, right? That's the filter you're going to be changing. It has a built-in HEPA filter, but the dirt just collects in here, right? It doesn't seem like it holds a lot of dirt. When it's full, it parks itself, self-empties, all the dirt goes into the bag right there, which you keep an eye on occasionally, but so the dirt gets contained. It goes through a filter. It's not pushing dirt all around the area. It's actually collecting the dirt, giving it a quick mop, right? Again, we're looking at the mid-range model. It's black, thinks for itself with LiDAR, lasers, and a camera, so I really like it. Right, and in case you haven't figured out, I'm leaning towards the Roborock Qrevo S5V as my favorite model, and you can see why. It's mid-range. I'm not going to blow the budget. It's going to do everything I want it to do. Again, this one is a white one. May not go in my house. May clash with some of the black furniture I have, and I just like black. So again, it's a personal choice, but in this video, we're talking about my personal favorite one. It has, a couple of features that the other ones don't, okay? So the brush or spinning brush technology is different. It has just the straight rubber rotors, and then it has a bristle one as well, right? So it's going to do a really good clean. Notice the spring action on these wheels. It's going to go carpet to floor, carpet to floor. If you're on floor, it's going to have two of these spinning mops that have the ability to swing out. I don't know if you can see, there's an arm here. I'm moving it out, right? There's an arm here that moves it out. I can't do it when it's not on, but it moves. It's not just stuck in a circle. It's a room is usually a square. So you have the spinning brushes, the special bristles, parks itself, empties the empties the dirty and the clean water. So the mops get cleaned, drained, dirty water collected, and then re-soaked in a water or a soapy solution. That's up to you, but I wouldn't use soapy solutions because that leaves a drying film. You just want it to be vacuum clean and then a light kind of wet cloth over it, and that really shows that there's no dirt or dust left at all. But this particular model is called a high-end because it does have a camera. It actually feels heavier. It holds more dirt. The bag is slightly larger, so it's a high-end model, and it's probably got a high-end price, but if you're not fooling around, you just want to get the best model out there, this one is for you. My favorite is the black. I didn't bring up the basic model, but I like it. I like the basic model. It does what it's supposed to do. What I don't like is if I want to mop, I have to physically load it up myself. It doesn't have a clean water, dirty water kind of dispensary. It has to be on me, meaning I have to put water in, let this be soaking wet. If it's dirty, I clean it, and then I empty out the water and refill it on my own. So it's like an extra feature I may or may not use too often, but at least it doesn't have a killer price. It's a basic Robo Vacuum Cleaner by Roborock, the Q7. It's a great machine, okay? But if I'm forced to have a favorite, of course I'm gonna go with the bigger, nicer black model. That's my personal favorite. I'll let you guys make up your own decision. I'm gonna come back with a video and we're gonna talk about the key differences to help you make a decision on which one's best for you.